Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, My English Support. Today we are going to see the English workshop of the lesson The Fun They Had. This is the second part of this workshop. Question number 1. Use the proper punctuation marks. First one, where did you find it? And in the answer you can see double inverted commas are given in the beginning and at the end of the sentence. At the end, the question mark is also given. In the second answer, we have to do the same things. Double inverted commas, question mark, and again you have to close the sentence with double inverted commas. Next example, they had a teacher. This is a statement. So the full stop comes at the end of this sentence and double inverted commas are there. Next example, how could a man be a teacher? This is a question. So question mark comes at the end and double inverted commas have come again. Last example, sure, if they were the same age. This is again an statement. So the full stop comes at the end and double inverted commas have come there. Students, you have to pay attention while these questions are coming in the exam, because sometimes the capital letters are not given in the beginning and you have to put them in the answer sheet. Question 2. The following sentences have an unusual meanings in the context of the story. Write what these sentences would mean today and what they mean in the context of the story. Students, you have to understand that the story takes place in the future, so the meanings will be different in the context as well as today's meaning. First one, she had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Today, this means a teacher should be dismissed from his post forever, as some students dislike some teachers for their academic or personal reasons. In the context of the story, means in the future, Margie doesn't like the school and the mechanical teacher. So she thinks that her mechanical teacher should be removed forever from the school, as she doesn't like school and the homework. They had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Today, this means any teacher who is on leave or holidays for a month or more because of his personal or health reasons. In the context of the story, Tommy's mechanical teacher had got some serious problems, so it took nearly a month to get repaired and come back. It wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. In today's context, this sentence is meaningless because today humans are teacher only. And in the context of the story, Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers. That is their regular teacher. So they can't think of a human as a teacher. That is why this sentence is there and they are surprised to see the man as a teacher.
How could a man be a teacher? In today's context, this is a meaningless question because today only humans are the teachers. In the context of the story, Margie thinks that a man could not be a teacher as the machines are very intelligent and human cannot compete with the intelligence of the machines. A teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. In the today's context, this means each child has a different way of learning and all cannot learn in the same way and in the same speed. So, the teacher has to make adjustments to teach them according to their mindset. In the context of the story, Margie is surprised to hear that all the students go to school and the teacher teaches them the same thing to all. Then she reminds of her mother's words that how a teacher should be adjusted with the age of each child. Students, these questions are there for your understanding. Understanding of the present time and the future time. Future time, which is referred in the story with the story of Margie and the mechanical teacher. Question number 3. Write words related to the following words, at least 10 words each. And first word is book, and related words are study, stories, education, poetry, prose, students, subjects, library, knowledge, novel, teachers, and school. Second word is school, and the words related to it are teachers, library, career, learning, study, playground, sports, fun, competition, study room, friends, and classroom. The last word is family, and related words home, small, habits or manners, adjustments, affection, relatives, respect, care, values, sharing, parents, and protection. Question number 4. Discuss how would you like to learn from a human teacher or a mechanical teacher. Present your arguments in the form of a chart. Here I have not given you the chart, but I have given the advantages and disadvantages of human teacher first, and then the advantages and disadvantages of the mechanical teacher. You can fill the chart from the textbook from the given information in this video. Human teacher. In the advantages column, you can write a human teacher can understand the real life situation and behave according to the different situations in the life. Disadvantages column, you can write there is no disadvantage. Second point, you can write in advantages. A human teacher can give motivation to the students, which is very important in human learning. And disadvantages, when a large number of people or students is there, it is difficult to motivate all the students. Third point, a human teacher can give demonstrations to the students. Disadvantages, he cannot take participation of all the students in the demonstration. Fourth point, he can arrange discussions and guide them. In the disadvantages, some shy and reserved students cannot take part in the discussions. They will remain away all the time. A human teacher can inculcate values naturally. He can do something original and creative. And there is no disadvantage for this thing. A human teacher can teach according to the ability of the learner. Means as the learner is there, he will teach in that way. And disadvantage, when the clever students or fast learners are there, they may feel it very slow or boring process. Now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of a mechanical teacher. You have to write the proper things in proper column of advantages and disadvantages. A mechanical teacher has the same pattern of teaching. He can teach the thing same as he has taught before. There will be no change in the pattern of his teaching. In the disadvantage columns, you have to write the mechanical teacher cannot understand the situations and the student's mind as human teacher can understand. A mechanical teacher can give exact knowledge in the exact time. This is the advantage. And in the disadvantage column, you can write a mechanical teacher cannot motivate the humans as human teacher can do it. A mechanical teacher makes predictions based on the set of example. As we can see, these things happen in the computers and they make predictions. But the disadvantage of this thing is machine learning is very difficult to comprehend. Comprehend means to understand for the students of the same age. A mechanical teacher can give tasks to students, but the mechanical teacher cannot supervise the activities of all the students like a human teacher. A mechanical teacher can teach values artificially, but disadvantage of this is values are not taught and they are not taught artificially at all. Even if there are human teachers and if humans are trying to teach values, that is also useless things because values are not taught, they are inculcated naturally. A mechanical teacher can be very fast and accurate in his teaching. So the disadvantage comes like that all the students cannot learn with the high speed because every child has different capacity of learning speed. Question number 5. Rewrite the following using complete words instead of contracted forms. Students, this is a very easy question from the workshop. So first thing comes here for you is when you are through, and the answer is when you are through means you and are. This contracted form you have to write in long form. Second one, and it's good for plenty more, and you have to write the long form of it's, that is it is. I wouldn't throw it away. You have to write the full form of wouldn't, that is would not. I wouldn't throw it away. She hadn't seen as many telebooks. Hadn't is the contracted form and you have to write the full form had not. She had not seen as many telebooks. Next example is what's it about, and contracted form of what's is what is, and the sentence is like that, what is it about. Next one is I have slowed it up. I have is the contracted form and the full form for this is I have. So the sentence becomes I have slowed it up. Next one, I don't know. Don't is the contracted form and the sentence will come like this, I do not know. The last example, it wasn't a regular teacher. Wasn't is a contracted form and we are going to take it as was not. The sentence will be read as it was not a regular teacher. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and comment below in the comment box.